In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make child rows in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to organize your sheet with a clear parent and child hierarchy, so your information stays tidy and easy to scan. Start by opening Smartsheet and heading to the sheet where you want to build your hierarchy. Think about which row should act as the parent. This is the main row that will summarize or group the related items beneath it. It might be a project phase, a category, or a headline task. Anything that makes sense as the umbrella for the details that follow. Click into the cell on the row you want to use as the parent to confirm you're in the right place. Now move to the row directly underneath it. Click that cell to select the row you want to become the first child. Right-click and choose Make Child Row. The moment you do, you'll notice the parent row above gains a small collapsible arrow on the left. That arrow lets you expand or collapse the child rows, which is great for keeping long sheets readable and fast. To add more child rows under the same parent, just repeat the same action on the next row down. Click the row you want as a child, right-click, and select Make Child Row. Each time the new row is indented beneath the parent, creating a clean hierarchy. If you have several rows that all belong under that same parent, you can select them all at once. Click and drag to highlight the group of rows you want, then right-click and choose Make Child Row. All of those selected rows will become children of the parent above, lining up as siblings beneath it. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Use clear, consistent names on your parent rows so you always know what's grouped under them. Keep an eye on that collapsible arrow. It's your visual cue that the hierarchy is in place, and it makes navigating large sheets much faster. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always undo your last action. And remember that when you collapse a parent, the child rows aren't deleted. They're simply hidden until you expand again. That's all it takes. Identify your parent, right-click the rows beneath it to make them children, and use the collapsible arrow to manage visibility. With these simple steps, your sheet stays organized, readable, and ready for action.